Hi guys, welcome to RK Studio, and today we are here with our Lava Iris 405 Sensibly Smart phone. This is the smartest phone that you can get at just 7500 rupees. As you can see, this phone. This is just a amazing phone that you can get at this price. This price, if you will compare with other HTC or Samsung phones, you will not get this kind of phone below 15k. So today we are here with the unboxing and review of this Lava Iris 405. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Yeah, what a trendy headset it is. See, the trendy headset is there, plus the USB charger and the USB cable and charger, the Lava Iris 405 user guide, the earphones. See, these earphones are very smart as it fixes in your ears and gives you 3D effect also. The earphones are just great. Then you also get a plastic cover. You also get a screen guard along with this. If you'll go to the market, you will never get a screen guard of this phone. So it's necessary that you buy a phone of Lava with screen guard. So let's start with the trendy headset. As you can see the sleek design, as you can see the sleek design and the smarty headset Iris 405 Lava. The Lava has seen the phone as a very cheap range phone, and this is the smart featured phone at just 7.5k. You cannot get more. See, 5.0 megapixel camera. The back body is also scratch resistant, and as you can see on the screen is 4-inch WVGA capacitive touchscreen. The resolution is just great, 800 into 454 pixels. As we switch on the phone, you will see the screen like this. See, as you can see, the user interface is just unimaginable. The user interface is just great. See, the user interface, the apps that I have downloaded. You can get Fusion music player as well as the WeChat messenger pre-installed in this phone. You can see the widgets, analog clock, bookmarks, like that, all these widgets. Then you have the apps. Let's first see the settings. We go to the settings. This is just an amazing phone, as you get 4.1.2 Jelly Bean at this price. See, I click about phone. See, this phone has Android version 4.1.2. The baseband version is great. Kernel version is simply amazing, 3.4.0, which lets you play games like Temple Run OZ, Temple Run, FIFA 12, and GTA Vice City, Mortal Kombat 3, 4, and you can get all these games from the Play Store. You can also play the greatest ever game, Real Racing 3, on this phone without any lags. As you can see the software upgrade, check for updates. Okay, this phone is already up to date. Then you can see the build number, kernel version, then Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, it is a dual SIM phone with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and available at this price. This is just a smart trendy headset. As you can see the camera, the front camera is really nice. As you see the back camera, see, it has the features of HD recording. So this is just a simply amazing phone. The sleek design, one should buy this phone if it has just a sleek design, and also it is very light weighted It is easy to carry. It is very easy to carry. You can see calendar, calculator, to-do list, camera, navigation, G maps, everything. If you see on the box, the specification written are C 10.16 centimeter WVGA screen, that is 4.0 inch, fast 1 GHz dual core processor, Android Jelly Bean 4.1.2, gravity sensor. You would see that on the box it just mentioned that there is only a gravity sensor, but if you see the inside, it has accelerometer, gravity sensor, orientation sensor, light sensor, and also the magnetometer, which features a great. See, 512 MB RAM is just smooth, 4 GB RAM ROM, and 1.8 GB available user memory. 1400 mAh battery. I know that you will think that it is a little low, but on an average, if you use the phone, it can go up to 7 to 8 hours of normal use. And you can see the 5 megapixel camera and the VGA front camera, 3G Wi-Fi GPS with AGPS also. Now let's see this phone again. This phone is awesome blossom, I should say. Even the Lava Iris 501, which is of 8,000 rupees, does not support this OLX app, which I got. The user interface is just amazing. As you can see, the notifications, then this screen, and then you can see the whole thing, the contacts. You can see the dialer is also great. If you would see the Opera browser, I'll make it exit. Then I would make you see how the game works. Suppose I open this Temple Run OZ, right? This Temple Run OZ is just a great game that one should have, and this phone supports this game without any lag. It is above 50 MB game, and it's just awesome, I would say. Awesome. 3G Wi-Fi GPS, Android technology, latest phone, 4-inch touchscreen. I would obviously suggest you to buy this phone, as this is the greatest phone available in the market. It is even greater than other phones available in the market of the Lava Iris only. As you can see, the gaming experience, I can go here and there, and then if you want to see the sound quality is just great. If you would listen, this is the full volume, as you can see. Here is the speaker. You would say that this is the greatest phone. There is also a metal detector in this phone, which when comes into the contact of metal, it makes noise. I would show you that also. See this? See this metal detector app. This is just awesome. See, if you will get any metal close to it, it would react vigorously. Right now I don't have any metal, but still, it's just awesome. The phone is just awesome. Don't think again on it, just buy it.